Welcome back. This is part 7 of our wood-fired oven series. In this video we will cover the calcium silicate board, the oven floor bricks and the Indispensable tool. It's taken a good few weeks to clean all 250 bricks, but we're finally done. I've sorted the bricks into two main types that I'm going to use for the floor and the dome, and I've also set aside the best bricks for the front of the oven. I've drilled a small hole in the concrete slab that will serve as the centre point of the oven. And then made a wooden arm that I use to draw the inner and the outer edges of the oven dome. I've also left at least 4 inches between the outer edge of the dome and the edge of the concrete. This is for the insulation blanket and the perlite render. I'm following the pattern I created in SketchUp to cut out the calcium silicate boards. I only use the design as a guide, and I'm actually using the concrete slab for marking out and measuring. The real world is always a little bit different. I've then covered the boards with 2 layers of aluminium foil. This is mainly to stop water seeping into the boards whilst we're building the dome. Took me a good while to figure out how to do this floor. I tried a herringbone pattern to start with, but the bricks are so irregular. They're different widths, different heights, different lengths, that the only real way I could do it was laying them in straight lines. That way it takes out the problem of the length and just leaves me with width and height. But I think this works out all right. So I'm going to attempt to just sand it down, make it a bit smoother. But overall, I'm quite happy with that. I've been cutting the bricks using my angle grinder. That's a 115mm angle grinder, as well as a bolster and chisel. For the front facing bricks, I've then dressed the edge using a diamond grinding cup. The bricks around the dome will be hidden from view, so they don't need to be dressed. Finally, the Indispensable tool. There's loads of videos on the internet about how to build this. I've just used some of the offcuts from the concrete slab along with a 50mm caster and some 30mm screws. I used the arm that I made for making the circle. I've used that to help get the width of the tool, so it's got a nice curved edge. I've located it onto the bricks and then used that just to mark out the 39-inch inner diameter of my dome. In the next video we'll be mixing our first batch of mortar and laying some bricks. I can't wait for that. We still need to cut all the half bricks, but I'm planning on doing that maybe 2 rows at a time. Cleaning the bricks really slowed down the process, but it feels like we're moving again now. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.